If you're experiencing connection errors in Apex Legends, particularly Error 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Apex Legends Twitter account or website to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they're back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Apex Legends completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the game's servers and may resolve temporary issues. Step 3. Restart your router. Unplug your router from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can help reset your internet connection and improve stability. Step 4. Change your DNS settings. Access your network settings and change your DNS to public DNS like Google 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8, 4.4 or Cloudflare 1.1, 1.1. This can help improve connectivity to the game servers. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall Apex Legends and then reinstall it. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing connection issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the connection error and get back to playing Apex Legends. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.